EAS has issued Tornado Watch number 44, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Carroll, LaSalle, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds and possible warnings. Stay tuned to the National Weather Service, commercial radio and television outlets for internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This includes the following counties in Illinois: McLean, Tazewell, and Woodford. Remember, a tornado watch means favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The current time is 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Woodford County, Peoria County, northeastern Tilton County, southeastern Stark County, northwestern Tazewell County, western Marshall County. 15 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brimfield to Trevoli to near Canton, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Lakin, East Peoria, Washington, Bartonville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, Henry, Elmwood, Bellevue, Princeville, Loeb, Dunlop, Hannah City, and Glassford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 68 and 99. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between Interstate 74 between mile markers 68 and 99. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.
Storm warning for Mason County, northern Menard County, southeastern Tilton County, northeastern Cass County, southern Tazewell County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of St. David to Chamberville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pekin, Havana, Mason City, Morton, Tremont, Delavan, Manitou, South Pekin, Green Valley, San Jose, Bath, Easton, Kilbourne, Dillon, Forest City, Liverpool, Topeka, Chautauqua Park, Poplar City, and Goodyearage. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 22 and 29. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for west central Illinois. National Weather Service in Lincoln has The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Woodford County, east central Peoria County, north central Tazewell County until 8:30 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over West Peoria or near Peoria, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Peoria around 8:10 p.m., East Peoria around 8:20 p.m., Washington, Germantown Hills, Spring Bay, and Bayview Gardens around 8:25 p.m., Metamora and Rome around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Peoria International Airport, Norwood, Rossville, Peoria Heights, and Aldridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 5, Interstate 74 between mile markers 84 and 93.
Dirty building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has
substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Woodford County, southeastern Peoria County, northeastern Tazewell County until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Peoria, or 6 miles southeast of Peoria, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and $5 hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Eureka, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Bartonville, Creve-Coeur, West Peoria, Metamora, Marquette Heights, El Paso, Roanoke, Goodfield, Deer Creek, Secor, North Pekin, Groveland, Benson, and Kappa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 29 and 31, Interstate 39 between mile markers 11 and 20, Interstate 474 between mile markers 6 and 14, Interstate 74 between mile markers 93 and 112. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central Illinois.
A tornado watch remains
The National Weather
quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern LaSalle County and north central Illinois, northwestern Livingston County and central Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Varna, or 9 miles east of Lincoln, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Pontiac, Ogles, Mashpee, Gridley, Flanagan, Odell, Conica, Grand Ridge, Naplate, Lofton, Cornell, Ransom, Rutland, Cedar Point, Kangley, Long Point, Dana and Leonore, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 53. Interstate 55 between mile markers 193 and 210. Interstate 80 between mile markers 86 and 92. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Matthiasson State Park, and Starved Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National
Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Logan County, eastern Mason County, southeastern Woodford County, western McLean County, Tazewell County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Morton to near San Joseph, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Pekin, Normal, Morton, Hayworth, Tremont, Mackinac, Hudson, Atlanta, Delavan, Minear, Danvers, South Pekin, Hopedale, Goodfield, McLean, Green Valley, San Joseph, Stanford, and Carlock. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile marker 7 and 29, Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 12, Interstate 55 between mile markers 141 and 169, Interstate 74 between mile markers 109 and 139. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central Illinois.
141 and 169. Interstate 74 between mile markers 109 and 1.
Has issued a severe thunder
Alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. The tornado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Logan County.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Logan County, southwestern McLean County, northwestern DeWitt County until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beeson, 410 miles west of Clinton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Hayworth, Wapella, Waynesville, Kenny, Beeson, Midland City, and Hullsville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central Illinois.
Such as a basement or small for your protection.
The National
On the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Lincoln.
warning for northeastern Woodford County, southeastern Marshall County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washburn, or 11 miles north of Eureka, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and down buildings. Locations and paths include Metamora, Midland, Toluca, Washburn, Winona, Varna, Cazenovia, Larose, Row Point, and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 26 and 41. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central Illinois. The National National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 45, effective until 3 o'clock a.m. Wednesday, or 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, McHenry, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Laborde, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, and 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch.
5 p.m. Moments around 10:50 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is 'Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 11:45 p.m. At 10:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beecher or near Lowell, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Hammond, Maidalville, Schermerville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Griffith, St. John, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Boone Grove, Dyer, Winfield, Beecher, Grant Park, Lake Delacarlia, and Linwood, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 2 and 4. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 238 and 255. This includes Purdue University Calumet, Ileana Motor Speedway, and Lake County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.